This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you are seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom linking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large, for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich der schönste Helm auf dem Markt aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness? I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting your lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'd really recommend this, and I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Ewan, co-founder and CEO of Lumos. We got our start right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago, with little more than an idea and a passion to keep riders safe and build a great product. Since then, we've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmet. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right. So we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.